What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are actually using Jimmy's camera. We came up to my mom's house here in Greensburg. Didn't bring mine. Everybody pretty much left. So we're going to be working on the 98 here. It's running great. Drove it up here and stuff. It's doing fantastic. We were washing it at work the other day, or Friday, and I noticed something. I seen this pipe was dangling a little bit too low. So if you look straight up in here, that pipe is no longer connected. So what happened was, is when I first got this truck, it had the 45s that came out right behind the back tire here. I actually took it to our local muffler shop, Staples, when they were in Seymour, and they redid the angled 45, like out of the back of the truck here. I like that look better than what was on there, but that was probably 3 years ago that they did that. And I mean, you can tell that stuff in there's not the greatest welds and stuff. So we're basically just gonna do is go in there. We got the cutoff disc. We're gonna cut it and then just throw some like 2.5 inch turn down pipes until I get enough money saved up to run the full exhaust. I called them Friday and they said from the headers all the way back with the same setup, we're looking at probably 450, 500 bucks. So I have that money right now, but I don't know if I want to spend it right now, so I'm just gonna throw the turn downs on it, drive it like it is, and then yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jump on in there. I don't know if I'm gonna do the cutting or if Jimmy's gonna do the cutting. One of us will be recording, and then we're gonna see what it sounds like. So stay tuned, guys.
All right, guys, so a little update. We got the first side out, and as you can tell by looking at that,
it's pretty much gone.
Yeah.
And then here where it goes over the axle, I don't know how much longer it was gonna
hold up.
I mean, that's, but the tip and stuff still is.
I mean, the welds on it are iffy, but it held up.
But all they had was it bolted. So this one mounted up against the bottom of the frame, and then they dropped a bolt and then sucked 2 nuts through it. And then this one was like an actual bolt through the frame idea. So I mean, it was held on there good. So when it did break up there, it still really didn't jiggle much, other than
where it broke at.
You grab it and jiggle it. But no, we're gonna hopefully take off the other side. The other side we are gonna have to cut off because it didn't break. So we're gonna have to get in there and get it cut off, and then we might clean the cut up on this where it broke off up here better. But yeah, we're just gonna continue on, throw these in the back of the truck, and then yeah. So let's get to it.
All right, guys. So the bolts and nuts underneath on the driver's side are being a pain, so we're bringing out the power tools. We're just going to cut them off so we can get this done, so we're not out here all night.
There's the first one. I just got to cut that one. Ready? Did I go through it?
I don't know. Did you?
Huh?
I don't know. Did it drop?
No, I don't know.
No.
You got a hammer we can tap it?
Alright guys, so after using the cutter and some hammering skills by both of us, we finally got the other side out. It was a pain because this bracket was getting caught, making sure it was cutting this was hard, so we beat it off.
We had some holes coming through there too.
Yeah, we had
I'd say it's about time for a new exhaust, but
there's nothing wrong with a new exhaust. So, Jacob, why don't you go up there and start this thing? Hey, and we'll see what the difference is now that there isn't any
a true exhaust on it anymore.
Pipe out the back. So. Sounds pretty good. I mean, it's from the muffler back, so it's not taking any of the echo or anything out of it.
No, I still want to put turn downs on it just in case of like heat and stuff.
So we are gonna go to
auto parts store now.
Auto parts store to buy some simple, cheap downpipe to put it on for short-term notice, and we'll
catch you guys soon.
Yeah, we'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so we think we have the downpipes that we need. So we're here in O'Reilly's parking lot and we're going to put these on. We're doing some roadkill type stuff.
Exactly.
So hopefully we got the
not the greatest in the world.
Hopefully we got the right sizes.
If not, we can turn them back in there.
Yeah, if not,
we actually bought these from Advance though, so.
Yeah, we bought them from the place right next door because they didn't have any. So Jacob's gonna crawl under there, do a quick.
Oh my God, it's smaller yet. Okay, but we're going with this.
Okay, so we're gonna go with it.
Oh my God, this wrapping. I should just let it burn off.
That looks so weird, having all rusty and then a chrome.
Shit. Damn, I need a bigger screwdriver. Yep. Okay. Well, at least we got one on.
So we know it works. So.
Okay guys, we are back. As you could tell, we got the old exhaust off. We ran to O'Reilly. They didn't have what we needed, so we stopped at AutoZone because they were right next door. Ended up grabbing turn downs. If you can get up in there and see that. Might have to go from underneath, but there they are. We're gonna do a startup now, see what it actually sounds like. I don't know if it's gonna change it much. I mean, it might, just because you don't have the tone vibrating through and bouncing off this long tube. It's just literally just straight down. So we'll see what it sounds like. Definitely, it's got a deeper grumble to it. I'll give it a little gas and see what she sounds like. I think that'll do for now, guys. Like I said, I plan on getting a new exhaust put on, but it's going to come from the headers all the way back. They were quoting about $450 to $500 if they threw a X pipe in there. I don't know if they will, if they'll have the room. But so what the plan is once I take it to them, they'll go put new collectors on, run it from the headers all the way back. Basically the exact same setup that I already had. I like the 45-degree angles. Like I said, when I first got it, they came down and basically L'd, and I came straight out the side of the truck. I didn't like that look. It wasn't for me. I liked the 45 more. But as you can tell, those were a little rusty, so we're gonna have to do something different. But I'll definitely keep you guys up to date once we go to get these done. But
and we might go do some rolling shots, so that way you guys can get a drive-by look of it. So
we'll get a couple shots here and throw them in the end of the video. So stay tuned, guys.